Imagine a world where machines run seamlessly, where maintenance is not just reactive, but predictive, ensuring that every component works in harmony. Envision a future where your workforce is empowered, skilled, and confident, mastering complex machinery with ease. Welcome to the future with Tredence virtual reality-based predictive maintenance solution, a groundbreaking fusion of virtual reality and generative AI that transforms maintenance from reactive to predictive, giving you a strategic advantage. Tredence VR doesn't just show you your machinery, it immerses you in it. Experience superior monitoring and training as you enter a virtual world where you can interact with equipment at true scale and observe real-time behavior. By adding a third dimension to the 2D world, complex machinery becomes intuitively understandable. Empower your workforce to master complex procedures through realistic simulations, boost overall equipment effectiveness by up to 22%, and reduce production downtime by 10%. But Tredence VR is more than just an immersive experience. Its AI-powered diagnostics give you a crystal-clear picture of your equipment's health, while its built-in generative AI capability instantly finds solutions from thousands of manuals. Even employees with minimal experience can identify potential failures before they happen. Connect with technicians worldwide and implement fixes at unprecedented speed. Step into a new dimension with Tredence VR-powered predictive maintenance solution. Contact us today for a demo and experience the power of blending vision with action.